Greetings. ख़वातीन व हज़रात, खुशामदीद व आदाब बजा लाता हूँ. It is a great satisfaction to me that the Hyderabad Association of North America is reforming itself on an international level and celebrating this virtual event during these difficult times of the COVID pandemic. With pleasure, I would like to recognize Ali Janab Manzoor Ghori and all the friends who participated for their efforts in organizing this first HANA National Conference. More than 40 years ago, it was my pleasure and honor to be associated with the formation of the earliest Hyderabad associations, and I would like to recognize the efforts and the initiative of those early Hyderabadi pioneers, especially Marhum Sayyid Asif Ali Hashmi and his friends in Chicago, Toronto, and other cities. We all appreciate that you are giving valuable time to the Hyderabadi associations and now to this first HANA National Conference. You all have your work and families in the US and Canada, and yet you have found a place in your hearts for your Hyderabadi bonds. Many of you keep in touch with your families and friends in Hyderabad and around the world directly and through your Hyderabadi organizations. Your bonds to the old country are valuable and you are wise to cherish them. Even for your younger members who were born in your new North American countries, having roots in the old country could be a bonus. A wide, ready-made international networking base is just one. Another is the resource database that would emerge from the collected membership lists of the international Hyderabadi organizations. And for those of your members who are inclined to explore investment and other opportunities linked with the old country, Hyderabad is now a newly born and fast developing city. It is the capital of Telangana, as you know, a state with great plans and potential. After all, as we say in Hyderabad, kuch to bhi kare to kya to bhi hota. But this is not to say that the underprivileged members of society here in Hyderabad do not need all the assistance they can get, especially in the areas of meeting the costs of education, health and housing. Many of you have been most generous in your contributions and it is greatly appreciated. There are many outstanding organizations here doing exceptional work. H.E.H. Nizam's Charitable Trust was one of the first. Since 70 years it has been serving the less fortunate of Hyderabad, and I'm proud to have been associated with its work for most of that period. At the same time, there are, I am sorry to have to say, unscrupulous bodies taking advantage of your generosity. I would caution you to support only those who are honestly rendering meaningful service to society. By luck, I am speaking to you from Hyderabad, the city with so many famous landmarks and institutions. We have here the best business administration school in India, the second best law school, countless outstanding universities, and our own Usmania, famous since its inception for being the first university in India to impart education in an Indian language. It is now possibly the largest university in India. And of course, one of the outstanding educational institutions in Hyderabad may be the Mufakhamja College, a college, as I say, with an excellent reputation but a bad name. And especially while I am here, I express the hope that you will continue to keep our culture and traditions alive. Some of you may also keep our language, our own beloved eccentric Dakkani alive. As the Shair said, Tujhe kya parai, tu apnich bol. It is undeniable that in this modern technological and fast-changing world, old cultures are under pressure everywhere. I hope you will be able to play your part in preserving the valuable and the good, especially the courtesy and the refinement that symbolize Hyderabadi culture. At the same time, I am confident that you will maintain a ruggedness of spirit that seems to be required to survive and to flourish in these rough and troubled times. May you all be safe and well and successful, inshallah, and thrive in harmony with each other while maintaining your social distancing. May the linkages provided by the Hyderabad Associations of North America assist and encourage you to prosper and grow in mutual support and assistance. And may you become even more resilient, contributing citizens of your own countries. My du'as and warmest good wishes to you all. Khuda Hafiz.